Welcome to Soul Talk. This is Carol O'Connell, and what you are looking at is the beautiful Gulf of Mexico. Just imagine yourself right here on this beach, listening to the sweet sound of those waves, enjoying the beautiful morning, the blue skies, the seagulls off in the distance. And then imagine yourself walking down to the water's edge and stepping into the water and feel the warmth of that water as it flows over your feet. Just feel your entire body relax. As you look out over the expanse of this beautiful body of water, and you realize what a magnificent planet we live on. Your heart opens, and suddenly you feel so grateful for your life. Grateful for the beauty of this planet that you live on. Grateful for the people in your life. Grateful for the joy. Grateful for all of it. Just let your eyes become mesmerized by this water and feel the magnificence and the grandeur of this moment. Just know that if this is your happy place, you can come here at any time in your imagination. Your imagination is a magical part of your consciousness. And actually, creation happens through your imagination. So imagine yourself here on the beach, the Gulf of Mexico, with your feet in the water. Perhaps you imagine yourself swimming in the water. And before you know it, you will be here. But right now, allow your mind to enjoy. Allow your heart to open and feel the beauty of this. Thanks for joining me with this quick soul talk. If this was meaningful for you, then share it. Share it with your friends. In the meantime, have a wonderful day. Know that you are loved and you're magnificent.